Hola bebés, welcome to the Valiosa podcast, your favorite no gender self-growth podcast, and also my really own and personal journal. So keep tuned for my darkest secret. Baby, as you can see, it's almost the end of the year and I'm really happy about it. I really love Christmas. This is the most beautiful time of the year, and I truly believe that. I know it's not for everybody, but well, your girl is a Christmas girl. On today's episode, we're going to be closing the year with all the learnings of 2022, and this is a message that I want you to have. This is a sign that, everything that happened during the past year was better than you think. I know that this year left us beautiful moments as well as rough patches, but we are here, to wrap up the year, to close up the cycle, and to keep moving forward. So, empecemos con el podcast, aka let's start with the podcast. At the end of the year, we have this tendency to look at our vision board and then we realize that we underachieve everything we have written in that paper. And if you have a vision board, you know what I'm talking about. Now, and when this happens, you feel like a total failure. You feel like you didn't do anything for 365 days. You feel like you just lay in bed and, just the time flew. Then I stopped myself, right? And I realized that I did achieve a lot of things. Sometimes we have to remember that we need to go through some process before thriving. And that is what happens to me this year. A lot of things happened in my life and I did learn a lot of things and I did achieve a lot of things that I am really proud of today. So the main reason I am doing this episode for you, bebé, is one, so you can learn from my mistakes and you don't need to experience something to see, to understand that you don't want to live that. And secondly, to identify yourself in the following points of achievements that I have made that I think that a lot of you maybe have made but don't realize. Okay, baby, we're going from A to C and to C to 7. We're not following a pipeline here, okay? Así que, first of all, be careful of people that can be jealous and that want to manipulate you, etc. Las lágrimas de cocodrilo, amor, the tears of crocodile are confusing. If you are in a situation, in a conversation where you find yourself with somebody that is confusing to you, amor, don't talk. Don't say anything, okay? Nada. Why? Because you want to analyze, you want to let them talk, so after the conversation, when you are alone by yourself, you analyze their affirmations and if they make sense, okay? And when you have questioned everything, then you can decide to reevaluate your relationship with this person. So the learning here is, baby, you can always reevaluate the relationship you have in your life. The following point is correlated with the previous. So here we're going to be questioning everything that doesn't align with your belief. Here, we're gonna put limits so we can be aligned with your purpose. O sea, amor, something really funny about me is that when something doesn't align with my core values, my right ear start buzzing. I am rejecting that idea, and then I ask myself, is this a shadow I have to address, or does this truly, goes against my core values? Remember that you need to make sense of your way of thinking without harming others' liberty. Next point, not everything needs to have a concrete result. We don't have to measure everything with a goal. Sometimes you can just do it for the learning. Go to that art class, go to the psychotherapies, paint, start a business, etc., etc., etc. Remember actually how it feels to just learn something without having a goal in mind, without trying to pass an exam. Something that I want you to assure yourself is that when you die, you will never say, and you could never say, that you didn't do everything you wanted to do, that you did try everything that crosses your mind, and you chose the life that you wanted to live, and you didn't let it fly away. Previously, we talk about the fact that we don't have to always have a goal to reach. And this is where this point falls. Concentrate yourself in building habits, in being constant in the building of those habits. I know that you want to do everything perfectly, but doing all the intense workouts every day is a lot of work and it can be overwhelming. Maybe at this point you are doing your workouts every day, not in an intense way, but you're doing every day the 45 minutes you said you wanted to do. And as the past is going to pass, you're going to be building this habit. And when you will conquer the habit, the intensity is just going to go with integrate yourself. People make mistakes. Not everybody is perfect, and not everybody that you're going to meet is going to be in the best mood that specific date. So give new people second chances because you don't know them yet. Like, get the time to know them and try to build a relationship. And remember, the people that treat you with respect, those are the ones you should give in second chances because they know your limits and they do respect them. And for the ones that are always trespassing your boundaries over and over again, like, put limits. So make the switch, okay? This is a really fun and short one. Give 8-second hugs because they release a lot of dopamine into the brain for the person that you're hugging and also yourself. I have implemented this into my life, and sometimes it's a little bit weird because 8 seconds can feel long, but truly the person and yourself, you just feel so nice and so warming and so like, I really appreciate you and I want to show it to you. And you'll see people just smile and they think it's cute and funny. This is going to make you feel really like, wow, thriving, like better, in a good mood. So implement that, amor. Próximo, next one. Love is not forever. You cannot construct a two love story with only one person. The only and most precious love story you can build, amor, with one person is the one with yourself. You don't have to be attached to a bond that is no longer serving you. Take on opportunities. O sea, repito, listen well, I repeat. Take on opportunities every time you can. Like, if it benefits you spiritually, economically, emotionally, mentally, physically, do it, mi amor. Like, thank me and thank you later. Sometimes you are scared and sometimes you think that you don't deserve to take that opportunity. Baby, if it is manifesting into your life, you should take it. It appear into your life. It is there for you. Like, you don't have to think it twice. Don't overthink it. Remember, if it benefits you, you just take it. Be coherent with your physical body and your mental body. Take care of them. Go to the osteopath, psychotherapist, optometrist. Invest in your health. Invest in the gym. Invest in the healthy and yummy food that fill your booty, okay? That fill your body. And remember to meditate, to journal. Like, those are all the things that make you the perfect machine to thrive in life, okay? Don't do what people in your life are doing if they are not where you want to be, okay? Choose your destiny. Most parents want you to be secure, like in a secure job, in a secure home, with a secure partner, with secure kid, etc. If you are in that situation and you want to do something different, following their step is going to lead you where they are. So choose your activities, choose how to spend your time because it's your life. So stop listening to everybody that has not achieved anything you want in life. They don't know how to get there. So take the risk and do the research. This one is one of my favorites. Pain is not an option. I used to believe that everything in life that was worth it has to come with a lot of pain and suffering. And if I didn't feel that it took everything of me, mentally, physically, emotionally, everything, I didn't fail, like I did achieve something. And I decided that I will deconstruct my mind so I can rebuild it. I need to rebuild this thought. Things can come easily into your life. The universe got you. Your energy, remember, your energy needs to be always protected by you. You have this creative energy and you're going to achieve incredible things in life without pain, without suffering, without leaving your mental and physical health in the garbage. Okay, amor? Así que remember this one. If you have the mediums to do something, do it. If you have the money to travel, travel. If you have the money to start a business, start a business. If you have the intellect to do whatever, do it. You don't have to wait for anything else to happen, or you don't have to wait to receive anything else. If you already have the mediums, amor, you have everything to do everything. Okay, do it now. The word is yours. I learned that you shouldn't trust your thoughts when you are in an emotional state because they are not rational. So you shouldn't be making decisions when you are irrational, when you are emotional. Take the time to process the emotion. This is something really, really new for me that I have been doing from the past like 9 months, and is to let the emotions take place. Every day you are healing, and every day you should be proud, and be proud, amor, to make it through the day. No puedes salvar a nadie. You can save anybody. You are not responsible for them. They made their decisions, and now the only thing you can do is to send them light. And remember that there will be always a casualty and a karmic reaction to everything that happened, to everything that they did, and to everything that you did. Identify the situations where you know there's no good energy, where there is dark energy. If you can see that everything in this environment is dying, decide to leave. Respect yourself. You are your number one priority. Why would you like to put yourself in a situation of darkness like that doesn't belong to yourself? No. Sometimes you need to get out of negativity. You need to choose to not go out with those friends anymore, with those family members, etc. If you feel like something is gonna jinx your energy, baby, you have your answer. Leave. Último punto. Last point. Be grateful. I am going to share with you the sentence that every day I meditate to, and it is everything that I want, I get. The higher self always have my back. I let go of everything that does not belong to me. I am financially abundant, emotionally intelligent, physically strong, and spiritually connected. I am a person of love and action. Baby, I hope that with the last sentence, this will make you remember to celebrate your achievement for the last year. Bueno, bebé, those were my all year, last year learnings that I absolutely wanted to share with you, and that I am going to be reinforcing on this new year. I wish you to find yourself, to get yourself to do the things that you really want to do, those that will make you proud in the future. Así que cheers to 2023. Surrender to the higher self, to the universe, to God, and thank them in advance for all the big plans they have for you, even bigger than you could ever dream of. We are finally at the end of the episode, and I'm really happy again to be here. Mi amor, thank you very much for listening to this episode. If you like it, you can leave it a review on whatever the platform you listen your podcast to. Remember, you can also follow the podcast at Valiosa Podcast on Instagram, and myself at Alex Tovar, so you can have access to more content on the episodes. Cheers to the next year, and I'll send you a lot of love and a 8-second hug. Ciao, mi amor. XOXO, the Valiosa Podcast. Ciao.